Today we are diving into the fascinating world of mitochondrial supplements. These powerful nutrients are gaining popularity for their potential to boost energy and enhance overall health. But what exactly makes them so special? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 reasons why you should consider adding mitochondrial supplements to your wellness routine. First up, enhanced energy production. Mitochondria are often referred to as the powerhouse of the cell, and for good reason. They play a crucial role in converting nutrients into energy. Mitochondrial supplements can help optimize this process, leading to increased stamina and reduced fatigue. If you're looking to power through your day with more vigor, these supplements might be just what you need. Coming in at number 4, we have improved athletic performance. Many athletes are turning to mitochondrial supplements to enhance their endurance and recovery. By supporting mitochondrial function, these supplements can help you push through those tough workouts and recover faster afterward. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned pro, this benefit is hard to ignore. At number 3, we have cognitive function support. Mitochondrial health is linked to brain health, and supplements can help improve focus, memory, and overall cognitive performance. If you find yourself struggling with mental clarity, mitochondrial supplements could provide the boost you need to stay sharp and alert. Number 2 on our list is anti-aging benefits. Mitochondrial dysfunction is associated with aging, and by supporting mitochondrial health, these supplements may help slow down the aging process. Who wouldn't want to feel youthful and vibrant for longer? Finally, at number 1, we have cellular repair and recovery. Mitochondrial supplements can aid in repairing damaged cells and promoting overall cellular health. This is essential for maintaining optimal bodily functions and can lead to improved health outcomes. Mitochondrial supplements offer a range of benefits from enhanced energy production to cellular repair. If you're looking to boost your health and vitality, consider incorporating these powerful nutrients into your daily routine.